Hey guys, Kevin Swaney here at 10 Indian Performance. Just wanted to do a quick little video on our new Holley 2300 Tri-Power air cleaner base plates. A little easier to see these in a video versus just some straight pictures. These are a 3D printed version that we will hopefully make very soon in a casting. Right now, we have tested these on our own 66 GTO, and we have two other sets of these out in the wild that have performed pretty well. These need to be used with our Fast AF air cleaners, which we'll show the complete kit in another video. But as you can see, this lifts the carb or the air filter up approximately 1 inch. Fits right down on there. You're required to use the offset stud for this to all line up and work properly. But there you go. You can find these right on our website. As you can see, we kind of modeled the 2300 base plate after a stock. This is a stock 66 Tri-Power unit. How it gets the air filter situated up a little higher in the engine bay. Same basic concept here, but with the shape to fit the Holley 2300 base. Please note that these carbs are machined. You need to machine this ring here flush with the back of the air horn in order to get these to fit. So that's it for this quick video here. Just wanted to show you this new product. If you jump on over to the website, you can find these right at www.10indianperformance.com. Thanks, guys. See you soon.